Ever wondered what it takes to thrive in a world of constant change? Join us as on a journey inspired by the legendary Miyamoto Musashi, a master swordsman turned philosopher whose timeless wisdom holds the key to unlocking your potential in 2024. Get ready to discover how to wield the mental samurai spirit, adapting, strategizing, and recreating yourself in the image of a true visionary. Miyamoto Musashi was more than just a skilled swordsman. He was a deep thinker whose ideas reached far beyond the battleground. His philosophy, it wasn't just about winning fights. It was about winning at life. One of the core concepts he taught was something called emotion, which translates to the I-mind in a state of no mind. Now, this might sound puzzling, but it's all about achieving a state of clarity and focus. Imagine a mind so clear, so calm, that there's no room for distractions or doubt. That's what Musashi aimed for, and he believed this clarity was key to success in anything you set out to do. He believed that when the mind is cluttered, when it's filled with unnecessary thoughts, it hampers our ability to perform at our best. But by attaining mushin, this state of no mind, we become like a calm lake, reflective, ready to respond to whatever comes our way. Musashi's philosophy might seem simple, but its impact is profound. It's not just about winning battles. It's about facing life's challenges with a clear and focused mind. And in the complexity of our modern world, this concept of achieving clarity and focus can be a game changer in our pursuit of success and fulfillment. In today's world, change seems to be the only constant. It's an era of rapid shifts, uncertainties looming at every corner. And here's where Musashi's adaptability becomes a beacon of guidance. He didn't just face change, he embraced it. His ability to flow with change, to adapt and thrive in uncertain times, is a lesson we all can learn from. You see, Musashi's wisdom isn't confined to the battlefield. It's a mindset, a way of thinking strategically that transcends combat. It's about applying strategic thinking to all facets of life, whether it's navigating career choices, fostering relationships, or pursuing personal growth. His strategic prowess wasn't just about winning duels. It was about anticipating, planning, and adapting to whatever life throws our way. It's this mindset that helped him stay ahead of his adversaries, and it's this mindset that can help us navigate the complexities of the modern world. In 2024, as we face unprecedented changes, Musashi's teachings remind us to embrace change rather than fear it. They encourage us to adopt a strategic approach, to think ahead, to adapt, and to thrive in the face of uncertainty. Musashi's wisdom isn't just a relic of the past. It's a timeless guide for maneuvering through the challenges of today and tomorrow. In the quest to recreate ourselves in 2024, Musashi's wisdom offers invaluable guidance. He believed that true transformation starts from within, from mastering oneself. Understanding our strengths, weaknesses, and emotions is akin to studying our opponents in battle. It's about knowing ourselves deeply, being aware of what drives us, what challenges us, and what empowers us. Musashi's renowned work, The Book of Five Rings, extends far beyond the realm of martial arts. It's a timeless guide to life itself. This masterpiece encourages us not to follow the crowd but to carve our own paths. It emphasizes the importance of adaptability while maintaining an unwavering commitment to excellence. As we navigate through the complexities of 2024, Musashi's teachings remind us that recreating ourselves isn't about conforming to societal norms. It's about understanding our unique strengths and weaknesses, crafting our own journeys, and being adaptable in our pursuit of personal growth and excellence. His philosophy encourages us to be resilient, to evolve continuously, and to embrace change as a catalyst for our own transformation. In this ever-evolving world, the essence of Musashi's teachings lies in guiding us to be the architects of our destinies, crafting paths that reflect our truest selves. And inner mastery offer us not just lessons from history but a blueprint for thriving in the present. As we navigate this era of uncertainty, let's embrace change with open arms, wield strategic thinking as our sword, and embark on a journey of self-recreation, Musashi-style. Remember, the path to personal evolution begins within, and with the wisdom of a mental samurai, we can rewrite our stories, shape our destinies, and navigate the complexities of this modern age with resilience, clarity, and unwavering determination.